Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product to review that could revolutionize your home lighting experience, the Lutron Caseta Diva Smart Dimmer Starter Kit. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Lutron Caseta Diva Smart Dimmer Starter Kit? This innovative kit includes a smart dimmer switch, a smart hub, a Pico remote, and other essential accessories. It's designed to help you transform your ordinary lighting setup into a smart, dimmable system without the hassle of complex installations or rewiring. One of the standout features of the Lutron Caseta system is its reliability. Unlike many smart switches that depend on Wi-Fi, the Lutron Smart Hub operates independently of your home network. This means you can enjoy ultra-fast and dependable performance that's a cut above typical Wi-Fi switches. This is especially important for homeowners who want a reliable solution for their smart lighting needs. When it comes to compatibility, the Lutron Caseta is hard to beat. It connects seamlessly with popular smart home ecosystems like Alexa, Apple HomeKit, Google Home, and Ring, making it one of the most connected smart lighting solutions available. Whether you're already invested in a specific smart home platform or looking to explore options, the Lutron Caseta fits right in. Now, let's talk about installation. One of the most impressive aspects of this smart dimmer is how easy it is to set up. You can add a new switch location anywhere in just about 15 minutes, no need for a neutral wire. Simply replace your existing light switch with the Caseta dimmer, and you can place the Pico remote on a nightstand, table, or even mount it on the wall using an adapter kit. This flexibility is perfect for those who want to enhance their lighting without any major renovations. The Lutron app elevates your control over your lighting system, allowing you to manage your smart dimmer from anywhere. You can create custom scenes, set schedules, and even use geofencing to ensure your lights adjust automatically when you arrive home or leave. This level of automation can significantly enhance the convenience and comfort of your daily life. The design of the Lutron Diva Smart Dimmer is another aspect worth mentioning. It features the classic paddle design that blends seamlessly with any existing decor, making it a stylish addition to your home. You won't have to sacrifice aesthetics for functionality. This dimmer complements your interior while enhancing the lighting experience. The versatility of the Lutron Caseta system is impressive too. It works with up to 150 watts of LED lighting and 600 watts of incandescent or halogen bulbs, making it suitable for most home lighting setups. Whether you're looking to dim the lights in your living room for movie nights or control the brightness in your kitchen, this dimmer switch can handle it all. Now, who would benefit from the Lutron Caseta Diva Smart Dimmer Starter Kit? This product is ideal for anyone looking to modernize their home lighting without the need for smart bulbs. It's perfect for busy families, tech enthusiasts, or even those who are simply looking for a more convenient way to manage their lighting. If you want to create the perfect ambience in your home with minimal effort, this kit is a fantastic option. In practical terms, picture this: you're settling down for a cozy night in, and with a simple tap on your Pico remote, the lights dim to the perfect level. Or maybe you're having a dinner party and want to set the mood with a softer glow. The possibilities are endless with the Lutron Caseta Diva Smart Dimmer. To summarize, the Lutron Caseta Diva Smart Dimmer Starter Kit is an excellent investment for anyone looking to enhance their home lighting system. With its reliable performance, broad compatibility, easy installation, and sleek design, it truly stands out in the smart home market. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.